Hello, students of Standard 9. Welcome once again in this YouTube channel of Mount Brescia. I am here once again with the same Geography Chapter 2 Physical Features of India. We have already gone through different physical features and the reason for their formation, how they are being formed. We have gone through the different physical features like mountains, deserts, plateaus, plains, and how they have been formed by different processes in our earth, like withering, then erosion, deposition, etc. Rocks formation. There are different types of rocks also. I have taught you in my last class. Now, the scientists have attempted to explain all this with the help of plate tectonics. This is the topic today. I have taken theory of plate tectonics. So the different physical features are there in our earth along with different types of rocks. Physical features of our earth, physical I have told you that which you can see, land, desert, mountain. So these are formed due to various types of rocks along different types of rock, and the rocks are also of two types: very hard rocks like granite, rocks like very soft just like talcum powders. So how these variations come from? Some are very hard, some are very soft. How these variations come from? They have come from, number one, land formed during different geological periods. All human beings are same, but there are some human beings who are living from just like our forefathers or grandfathers. They had their different ways of living, due to which they can live up to 100 to 105 years, 10 years. Their way of living is different from us. In the same way, land formed during different geological periods are having different types of living features. Number two, processes such as weathering, erosion, deposition have created and modified the relief of present form. So these are the different forms. Just like at present form of human beings, we are having different types of comfortable items due to which we are living accordingly. Our forefathers, our grandfathers, even we teachers, when we were children like you, we do not have ACs, we do not have these motor vehicles, these mobile phones, but we lived accordingly. Now these all sophisticated items have made you lazy, wearing spectacles by using maximum of mobiles and TVs. No play make Jack a dull boy, but previously our way of living was different. So in the same way, but scientists have attempted to explain all these different physical forms with the help of new scientific form, that is plate tectonics. Now, according to plate tectonics, the earth crust is divided into 7 major and minor plates. The earth crust which we see, is not a single piece of globe, or which we see in the globe as a globe. In the globe also, if you see nicely, it has different layer. If you see a cricket deuce ball, it is not made up of one piece. It is made up of 4 pieces, 2 pieces, 5 pieces, 6 pieces in different international cricket matches. In the same way, earth is also not formed out of a single rock. It has 7 major and minor plates. It has been divided as we skull. It looks one head, but when it will be operated, if I take out my skin from here, you will find one part is here, one is this side, one is this. I mean, 3 different plates are there. So these are attached to make one head. In the same way, earth is not a single piece of rock. It is having 7 different major and minor plates, and these plates are on continuous moving. Why the plates are in continuous moving? Because if you see the crust of the earth, you have studied in the junior classes 6, 7, 8. If you divide the earth, if you take a cross section of the earth, the outer surface is just like crust, hard. Then comes the mantle, which is some jelly like. It is not a fluid. I mean, it is a fluid, but it is not liquid. It is a jelly like substance, semi solid, and inside it is totally liquid form, in the form of lava, means in the form of molten. Everything is in molten form. That is core of the earth, very hot. Just like an egg, you have seen egg, the cell outside is cell covering, that is crust. Then if you see the middle one, when you break it, it will have different cracks. So these cracks are the different plates of the earth. Okay, and now inside that egg cell, we will have some white color jelly like, that is, you think, mantle, and that yellowish color is just like a core. So that is the reason why the crust of the earth is in flow. Flow means, you don't think that if you are putting your leg over here, after 1 year or after few hours you will go to America over there, it is floating. No, not like that. Its movement is so small, so slow, that it takes hundreds and millions of years to flow from here to there. Just you take the example of a lake. So suppose you wanted to go to a ship over there. So the ship will not come to you. There is one attachment from here, land, to the sea, with some plastic or some solid, and it is staying on the water. So when you step on that basement which is on the water, what will happen? It's just float, but you will not go. It is not going from one place to another. It is just floating. Suppose one drum is there. You have to step on the drum, plastic drum, and then you go to the ship. What will happen? If you put the leg, it will float. It will make, in the same way, earth crust is also floating on the mantle part. Then leading to folding, faulting, and volcanic activity. These are the different things. And due to this movement of plates, various changes occurs. And the occurrence of these various changes can be divided into 3 parts. One is convergent plate, one is divergent plate, and another is transforming boundary. What is convergent plates? The word convergent, it means converge. Converge means coming from this side, this side. What will happen if suppose come from this side to this side? This is the formation. Coming here, giving pressure, coming here, giving pressure, forming. This convergent of plates give rise to mountains. Formation of mountains. Now see, if suppose now this is over here. Now this is giving this side and this is giving this side. This is called divergent. And when it diverges, what will happen? Some fault means some gap is there. That gap cannot be visible. It is not visible. It is not on the surface of the earth. It might be on the surface of the earth in some part where we will see this divergent hole, crack marks. But sometimes it is happening below the earth crust, which you cannot see. So what will happen there? So it will create a valley that is called Rift Valley. So plates moves away from each other is called a divergent plate. The plate moves towards each other, gives a convergent and gives an example of mountain. Away, it gives the example of faulting, and this is called fault. Automatically, this is called fault. Suppose this is there, and if it breaks, some fault is there, that's why it is breaking, and this gives rise to rift valleys. And transformation of boundaries. What is this? Due to this folding and faulting, a new boundary is being created. Means when it is float, it getting inside some faulting or folding, what will happen? It gives rise to different types of volcanic and earthquake activities inside the earth. Movement of the earth inside will give volcanic or earthquake. So this is the theory of plate tectonics. So you must go through this video very nicely and accordingly, and now we will see the other physical features in my next video. Thank you.